Does your mind feel like a cranky cat, grumbling at every problem? What if you could make it sing with hope? Picture your thoughts as a bright, happy tune. Welcome to Sawbook, your place for clear book summaries. Today, we explore The Power of Positive Thinking by Norman Vincent Peale, a guide to a happier, stronger life. In this summary, we'll share its main ideas and simple steps to use them. Let's turn your mindset around. Here we go. The Power of Positive Thinking teaches easy ways to live better. Norman Vincent Peale, a minister, mixes faith and psychology to show how positive thoughts lead to success. The book's main point is simple. Think positively to overcome challenges, gain confidence, and reach your goals. The first idea is to believe in yourself. Peale says self-confidence is the key to doing well. Negative thoughts hold you back, but believing in your abilities helps you move forward. He shares stories of people who succeeded by trusting themselves. To do this, write 3 things you're good at daily and say, "I am strong and capable," to build self-belief. Picture your success. Peale's next idea is imagine your goals already done to train your mind for good results. This reduces fear and boosts drive. For example, an athlete pictures winning to perform better. Spend 5 minutes daily imagining a goal, like giving a great speech, with clear details and excitement. Change negative thoughts to positive ones. Peale says negative thinking takes away your energy, but positive thoughts spark action. When doubt creeps in, choose hopeful ideas instead. He tells of a businessman who focused on solutions to win. Catch thoughts like, "I'll fail," and change them to, "I'll find a way," repeating until they stick. Faith is a big part of Peale's teaching. He says believing in something bigger, like a purpose or religion, gives strength to face problems. Faith calms worry and builds hope. Peale shares how prayer helped people find peace in tough times. Each day, think about something you believe in, like gratitude, to keep your mind steady. Use prayer to stay positive. Peale suggests prayer to focus your mind on good things. This can be spiritual or just quiet thinking about strength and answers. Praying for others builds kindness. Each morning, take a moment to think quietly, asking for clear thoughts or help. Keep your mind calm. Peale says peace helps you think clearly and stay strong. Worry clouds your mind, but calm brings focus. He suggests slow breathing to ease stress. When upset, stop, take 10 deep breaths, and think, "I am calm," to feel steady. Always expect good things. Peale says believing in positive outcomes helps you act with confidence. For example, expecting a meeting to go well makes you prepare better. Try one task each day, like a talk or project, expecting it to turn out great. Choose positive friends. Peale says being around happy and supportive people lifts your spirit. Negative people drain you, but positive ones inspire you. He shares how good friends changed lives for the better. Spend time with people who encourage you and avoid those who bring you down. Act even if you're scared. Peale says positive thinking needs action. Fear can stop you, but doing things anyway builds courage. A shy person speaking in public gains confidence by trying. Find one thing that scares you, like asking for a promotion, and take one small step this week. Be thankful every day. Peale says gratitude turns your focus to what you have, not what you lack. It builds happiness and hope. He shares how listing good things helped people feel better. Write down 3 things you're thankful for daily to grow a positive mindset. The power of positive thinking shows how to live a better life with confidence, faith, and positive thoughts. Its ideas help you face challenges and find purpose. Which idea will you try first? Share your thoughts in the comments. If this summary inspired you, like this video, subscribe to Sawbook, and click the bell icon for more summaries. For more details, read The Power of Positive Thinking yourself. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.